So I got a package from TTDI, and this is basically a colored contacts company. I decided to partner with them for this segment. Oh my god, they gave me little charms. Oh, that's so cute. It's like little ice cream charms. That's adorable. And I got a bunch of different colors and just kind of like see which colors we like. These are hazel, these are Egypt purple, we have Trinity gray, we have Naomi green, Polar Lights blue, Queen chocolate, Polar Lights brown, and Egypt brown. Let's go in with the green ones and see what they look like. I opened the box and you get like individual lenses, and then this is what you would put them into, and then I'm going to use their little applicator. I naturally have brown eyes, so I'm very curious to see, look at my little bang, what this looks like. I don't know if it's going to look good, but we're going to try it. I used to think it was, I actually still do think it was like so cringy when people were like colored contacts, but for a makeup look and like cosplay and stuff like that, it's not, but I like used to know people that, you know what, never mind. I went ahead and I poured all the liquid into it because I don't have eye contact solution, so I'm just trying to like savor it, but that's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna do it with the other one. That was so scary. My nose is running. I put it in now, look. It's the green one. I'm kind of scared. Like, I think it looks like kind of scary, but I'm gonna put the other one in and then we'll come back and talk about it. Okay, I put the green ones in. What the fuck? I look like a lizard. I feel kind of scary. Bro. Oh, it came out. I don't know how I feel about them. I think they're kind of scary, and they're not super comfortable. That's what it looks like. I look like I have heterochromia, or whatever it's called. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe for makeup, but I don't think I would wear these in real life at all. I am getting my hair done today. I don't know if you guys saw that I got bangs. Quite the choice that I made. It's actually wild. So we're gonna go see Megan today, and also I'm gonna be installing extensions from Goo Goo Hair. They sent me some of their extensions. It's kind of long, but also it's kind of not really long. But yeah, I want to shower, we're gonna get breakfast, and then I'm gonna go to get my hair done. So I thought I should bring you guys with me. So, the hair, what do we think? Do you guys like it? I love it. I think it's so pretty, it's so long, it's so soft. This is exactly what I wanted. I'm actually obsessed. I'm also exhausted. I made buffalo chicken rolls.